This is a follow-up of the prior video a few minutes ago. I was dying laughing once I played it back a few minutes ago. This is not a fuel pressure gauge. We all know it's a fuel pressure regulator. Fuel pressure regulator. As I stated, I'm fatigued. I haven't eaten as of yet. So I call it a fuel pressure gauge, and it's really the regulator. And I got excited on the other side of the car in the prior video where I said, oh, my line lock. So what I meant was I completely rewired the line lock. Brand new wiring from this button all the way up under the hood. I can hardly wait to use this bad boy again. And that's about it. Except for, you see this? This is where the pimple was. That's just Gorilla Tape. I ordered a Bondo, which came without the plastic lid on top of it, which had under the lid the hardener, the tube of hardener. And also the top of the can, you know how you remove a paint can lid and then you take something, basically a screwdriver, and bang it back on around. You go in a circle, banging it. The can was actually like that and everything, meaning it was a used product they sent me that someone returned after opening it and banged it up like that to close it. So I did receive the refund for that a couple of days ago. I sent it back. So when I bought from a different eBay seller, ordered the Bondo for this. This is the bottom of the Gorilla Tape, but this was because years back, for the air cleaner, I had too tall of an air cleaner and the air cleaner stud. So I closed the hood. I remember it very clearly. I closed the hood and I said, wow, why is the hood not closing? So like an idiot, I picked it back up, slammed it down again. And probably left myself wide open with the idiot comment calling myself. But listen, I'm fast to delete and block. I don't play games like that of any sort and any kind of weather. But anyway, that's it. I really appreciate you guys. I just wanted to clear that up. And in the prior video, I will state that first thing. I know it's a fuel pressure regulator, not a fuel pressure gauge, because some cats online, wow, boy, they grow wings and superpowers and they say some things. So basically why I have comments blocked until approved. Same thing for my Facebook page. Nobody can say something unless I allow them. But anyway, peace and love all the time. God bless you and your family. Peace.